Come along as Palmer and myself, Barb, go to the Texas State Aquarium, yes, once again, but this time with our friends Jody and Hazel. I do have a question for all you mamas out there though. We're looking for a new stroller. We have the Bob jogging stroller and it is quite large, and we're looking for a good stroller to go traveling with. What do you all recommend? It does not matter how often we go to the aquarium. Palmer does love it so much and watches the fish so intently. Good thing we have a membership. The sea turtles are still my all-time favorite, and I can just watch them over and over again. Thankfully, we live at the beach, so we can see them right from our house.
Good job, girl.
These amazing animals.
Hey, no more whining, okay? You can use your words and tell me what's wrong. Right behind you, Palmer. They're so cute. Right behind you, look. You see him? They like we're not just sitting here like that. Here they come.
As always, it was a great day at the Texas State Aquarium with our besties, and we ended the day swinging on the swing for a very long time. Thank you so much for watching, and if you could, please subscribe, and see you in the next adventure.